Hi everybody, welcome to English 1102. My name is Rebecca Rivers and I will be your instructor for this short summer semester. This video is to welcome you to class and also give you some background on me and a little bit of information on how our class is going to be structured this semester. So again, my name is Rebecca Rivers and I've been an instructor here at COD for I think we're going on 3 years, a little over 3 years, 6 years overall teaching English. And before that, I worked in the corporate world in HR. So I've got kind of a real world background that I try to bring into my class as well. This class 1102, it's real world in that we're gonna get you ready for the rest of college, right? This class is focused on research writing. So it's all about researching something and writing about it, which is something that we're gonna have to do in all of our classes, but a lot of our classes, especially as we get into higher level classes. But actually it's something that we'll have to do in the work world a lot of times too. And in our real life is how do we find good, solid information, and maybe we have to write about it. So that's our goal this semester. I do want to just mention really quick, because this is a 5-week semester, it's going to go really fast. So I recommend that if this is a class for people who are feeling pretty confident already in their writing ability. I mean, we're going to talk about researching. We're going to talk about incorporating research. We're going to do APA citations, which might be new for you. So those are all new things. But if you are not confident in your writing and researching abilities, this is going to be a busy class to do in a month. So just kind of keep that in mind, that this is, I think, it's hard to do if you're not already pretty confident in your writing. So here's the setup. We've got 5 weeks. We're going to be using a book called The Curious Researcher, which, luckily enough, is all about writing an essay in 5 weeks. So that's our plan. We're going to write one big essay that's going to be due the last day of class, and we're going to work on it the whole time. In the middle, there is going to be another writing assignment, which is an annotated bibliography, where you give me a list of all the sources you're looking at, and you talk to me about all of those sources. So that's going to be, that adds to your page count for the class, but the big assignment isn't due until the end. We are set up so that every week there are assignments due on Monday and Thursday. So every week, Monday and Thursday, with the exception of this first week where obviously the 4th of July is on Monday. So our first assignments are actually going to be due on Tuesday the 5th. But otherwise, it's always Monday and Thursday. I try to send out no more than 2 emails a week just to kind of catch everybody up, let everyone know what's going on, and remind them of what's coming up. I'm available via email all the time. I mean, on the weekends, I might take a little bit longer to get back to you, but email is the best way to reach me. So you have a record, I have a record. It comes right to my phone. So definitely check out the syllabus for my email address, because that's the best place to look. Or best place to reach me. Let's see, what else? We're going to do discussion boards. When you go out onto Blackboard, you're going to see a couple things. You're going to see the syllabus, announcements. You'll see announcements where I update things. You'll just see the syllabus. Definitely go check that out if you haven't already. Assignments. So again, every week there'll be a folder for Monday and a folder for Thursday, right? So that's your starting place every time. Then there's the discussion boards, where we'll discuss things that we read in the chapters, exercises that we do in the chapters, things like that. And all the details will be under assignments and then under discussion boards. And then I've also put up the official actual essay assignment. It has its own little thing there, so you can go and access it at any time. So definitely go check that out right now to help get you mentally ready and prepared for the semester. Let's see, assignments are always due by the end of the day. So 11:59 it says. I give a little bit of a leeway. If it's 12:30, it's fine. But if it's 8 a.m., then we're gonna have to mark it late. So keep up with your work. This is a class that cannot be done all at once. You have to do work every week, because we're working towards this final project, this final essay, and we're going to be working with each other to make that happen. So again, we can't work through the whole thing in the first week, but every week on Wednesday, the next week's assignments will show up, and so you'll be able to start working ahead of time for the assignments due the next week. All right, I hope that helps, and I hope you're excited. You do get to pick your topic, so pick something that you find interesting that you want to spend 5 weeks learning about. Be curious. Don't pick something that you already know a lot about. Pick something that is new to you, or at least maybe you know a little bit about it and enough to know that you'd like to know more. And we don't often get to do that in life, so take advantage of the opportunity to do that. And again, email me with any questions. I can't wait to get to know you all. Thanks.